Hello everyone. First of all, I hope that you're doing well. And you'll see, here I am outside now. And this is back at school. And many of you have come back over the past couple of weeks to visit school. But next week, we've got the Year 7s and 8s, and the week after the Year 9s. So I thought I'd give those year groups a taste of what they'll find. So here I am in the car park. And as you can see, there's lots of cones set up, because as you come in, you're going to drive, you're going to park up here, be dropped off, get out the car and walk down the drive to the clock tower, and your parents will just drive out of the car park. Pretty simple. Let's see what's down towards the clock tower now. Okay, so here we are. I've walked down the main drive. I'm standing outside the main door into the clock tower. And if you're in Year 7, Year 8 and Year 9, this is where you're going to enter the school. If you're in Year 10 and Year 12, at the car park you'll have been directed to go into the Lufton Armour buildings, because that's where you'll be based for much of your time with us. So, let's see what's behind this door and what I do inside the school. Okay, so here we are, inside the clock tower. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come in here and you're going to sign in the signing in book. And then you're going to give a squirt onto the hand sanitizer, wash your hands. If you're in any doubt at all, Mrs. Carr's going to be sitting here and she'll be able to explain to you exactly what you need to do. Having done that, you're going to walk into the main corridors and you're going to go all through into the Williams Hall. So let's follow me and see where we're going. So here we are in the Williams Hall, and you can see how it's set up. So essentially we're going to have two bubbles in here. One group of you are going to sit on this side of the hall, and one group on this side of the hall. And you'll be based in here for a lot of the day, opportunities to have a review with your form tutor and opportunities to get on with work during the course of the school day. I know from having spoken to boys who've already been in school how much they've enjoyed coming back. Some of them felt a little bit weird initially, but they got over that, they came back, and it was great to see their friends. I know from speaking to the teachers how much they've enjoyed being back in school and how much they've enjoyed seeing you again. So, we hope to see as many of you as possible in Year 7, 8 and 9 over the course of the next 2 weeks. But, before I go, there's one final thing that I need to say to you. So earlier this term, I spoke to you about things that bring us all together. Some of you will be able to come in over the next couple of weeks, and some of you might not. And that's absolutely fine. But there's one thing that continues to connect us, isn't it? We are all merchants' men, wherever we are. And we should hold on to that. And one of the things that helps bring us together as merchants' men is the school song. And so, Mr. Harrison's come up with an idea to celebrate our 400th anniversary, to have over 400 voices singing collectively together the school song. And so, after this assembly, on a different YouTube clip, we've got the school song, and Mr. Harrison wants you to record yourself singing it and send it through to him. So, at the end of term, we can have a collective sing-song. Enjoy the rest of this week, stay well, and I look forward to seeing some of you in school next week.